We are going to a fireworks then.
Kingdom fireworks. All right, what do you think about all these fireworks, Polly?
She is the best.
Which one are you gonna go for? Let's see which one you like. Let's find that one that's a car, huh, Polly?
Yeah.
Oh boy, this is a jazz one. All the jazz. Let's see what it does. Shoots flaming balls. All that jazz. Okay, we'll keep that one in mind. Remember we saw it in someone's front yard? What is it?
And they face. What does that do?
What does this one do? I don't know, but it's probably a sparkler and it's probably out of this world. What is it?
Ladybug.
Ladybug? The ladybugs. Emits showers of sparks, spins and rises into the air.
What? Poop.
Poop.
Mr. Poop.
You want to get one of those?
Yeah.
And here's a little tip. Oh, those are 20 bucks. Oh, wow.
That's for a package, right? It's only $2 for a tank. How many do you want?
Baby did two.
Get 2 tanks.
1 and 2. Here you go. That's it. Now.
Okay, put them in the bucket. And what did you pick out?
Dottie.
Pooping dog? That's funny. And then we got our flaming turd.
What are you?
Smoke bombs?
Okay. You can eat, yeah?
Yeah, here's one. Some smaller ones, you get more of them.
Ooh, yeah.
Let's do a package of those.
All right.
What about these snappers? You like these?
Ooh, yeah. Cute. I want that too again.
Okay.
Want to? Ladybug. Is this one good?
Ladybug's probably pretty good. Let's do that one.
Ooh.
Look at this, it's called the air guitar. We got to do that one. Polly, can you show me your air guitar? Woo! Air guitar. Just a little guy?
Little guy.
Okay. What's it called? It's called Amazing. It's called Amazing. Well, we got to get it. It's amazing. Right?
Right.
What is it?
A Dottie.
That's Bruiser? Emits showers of spark. There's an American fountain. That's $30. American fountain or the Reaper. Do you want to get one of these two?
Yeah. This one and this one?
Oh, just one. You got to make a choice.
Ooh, I want to know this one.
Is that the one you like? Oh, it's a chick. Chickaboo.
What's it? Should we did it or not?
Yeah, we could get that one.
A teddy.
I'll grab it. Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Loaded.
Hey, everybody.
What you got there?
Fireworks.
All right.
So, this one is called, Sandman.
All that jazz? That's a big one.
And, it's just a flaming ball.
What's that one called?
Chickaboo.
That one's a chickaboo?
I have to sit on it.
That one's called the Reaper.
This one called the Reaper.
Ooh, that one looks scary.
Yeah. And this one is called Editor. I have the astronaut on it.
Astronaut playing air guitar?
Pretty funny, huh?
Uh-huh.
Now what?
Is that all you have?
Well, we have some surprises you don't know it.
What are they?
Can I show you now?
Yeah.
Oh, so we got this one.
Snappers?
Snapper. The snapper. And the dingy soap bomb.
Smoke bomb?
Smoke bomb. Alright. Yeah, the smoke. And little what?
Sparklers.
Body. Alright, the body is right here. What is this?
A shower. A sparkle shower.
But this is called body shower.
That's right.
And it is that right here. And what's this?
That's a tank.
Alright, chain. The little called chain. A chain of the car.
You think they move when you light them?
Mm-hmm.
They have wheels?
Yeah. That.
Okay.
And this one, what is this one called?
Poopy puppy. Oh boy.
This is called Poopy Puppy. Poopy Puppy. Can you like it? And this is a poop.
Yeah. That one's funny.
What do you think they would do when we light it up?
I really don't know, but tomorrow's 4th of July.
Poopy. And we have
Another box of snap caps or snappers.
another spot of snack cup. And the final one. A lady.
Ladybugs. Those would be cool.
Ladybug.
And this is all for what holiday?
4th of July.
Yeah. Whose birthday is that?
See this.
No, that's Christmas. 4th of July is America.
Man, happy birthday to Maria.